Hello, I'm Gigi, and today I will be the sound designer for the play The Streetcar Named Desire. And we have been going on and on about it for the past couple weeks. And at first, I'm going to start with a definition of a sound designer. And the sound designing is a process of recording or manipulating audio element in multiple disciplines like filmmaking, television, theater, sound recording, live performance, and sound art. But today we going to talk about the sound designing in a streetcar named Desire play. Now, also the sound is in theater. The sound designer is responsible for anything that the audience hears. The music and sound is essential to enhance any production. Now, as far as for the streetcar named Desire play, I would like to and the sound will be modified and naturally or with a twist, just so we can have an idea of what Blanche is thinking or whatever she's going through psychologically, because she has a lot of issues that she is going through since the death of her dad and the loss of Belle, I guess everything that she possessed, she lost everything. So I should just say that. And also I wanted to incorporate the ambience of the street sound, because in some of the scene we heard people speaking Spanish, people speaking French. So I wanted to incorporate that into the play, where we can have people walking down the street either talking to each other or arguing with each other or selling stuff, because that's what they were doing throughout the play mostly. Now let's see. Also, I wanted to incorporate the jazz part of it, because it seems like I never been to New Orleans and I don't know much about New Orleans, but from what I read from the book, it seems like jazz is a large part of this production. And I would like to get like a live band to play some sophisticated blues from the 40s, because it seems like that's how they represented New Orleans in the play. And also it kind of symbolize what Blanche is actually going through, because jazz, it represents some kind of melancholy, depression, and loneliness in Blanche's life. That's because she's one of the main characters in the play, and that's the reason why I'm more focused on the jazz part of it. And I think that should be it with the sound part of the play. Thank you.